Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Jurassic Art and Customs. What I have here is the remote control Lost World Tyrannosaurus Rex, to which I've painted up to look like the novel version of Rexy, which is the famous Red Rex. Give him more of a keener look. But unfortunately, it does not work anymore. Did when I first got it, doesn't now. I really didn't like this figure at first. It took me a few times painting it to really... In fact, I wasn't sure about this time. I was gonna start over again. But it turned out pretty nifty. I'm liking it. How about you? It would lift up its head and roar like that. Did the inside of the mouth there a little bit. Gave it more of a purplish tongue like in the book too. So it's a fairly big figure too. I'll get some size comparisons for you. So here's a side-by-side size comparison with Thrasher T-Rex, which you can see I've already primered. She's ready for painting. Yeah. It's a pretty dark paint job, I will admit, but this is also the best I've ever seen this figure look. Its legs are still quite bulky, but I think if you paint them a darker shade like that, it really helps to kind of minimize that. Here's another side. Yay, I might keep this one after all. If you guys like this video, make sure to like and subscribe to my channel. And look for me on Facebook as well. Have a good one.